So I got my friend's 2023?
Yes.
2023 Subaru BRC, and we're just replacing his engine air filter with the brand of his choice, which is K&N. And it's pretty straightforward. I'll show you how to do it. Oh shit. It. So first things first, come closer here. I'm gonna pop this tab up. I hope it's not that hot, but I think I need to remove this as well. Okay, so I just put a gloves on because the car is still hot. And we can, is this also K&N back then?
No, it's just a stock filter.
So this is the old one. Doesn't look bad at all compared to Ian. Ian thing is bad. So we got K&N. What is this inside? There's also a paper and a sticker from K&N. So far, you don't have any check engine light.
No.
Right? And we're gonna test this with this K&N once we install it. So the difference between the old one and the new K&N. I noticed this one got a little bit of grease on it. And the casing on the side is open compared to this closed plastic. But this is washable. So let's put it back.
I want the K&N symbol on top.
Oh, you want that? Oh, okay.
See?
Okay. I thought it's like the old one. There's no top or bottom. My bad. So you want this K&N symbol on top, facing this way. Oh, fits like a glove. Now, I don't want to. Here. There's like a tab on the bottom, but his car is still hot. There. You just need to line up this tab here. There's a tab here in the bottom. See if my camera focus. There's a tab. This guy here. You just have to line it up correctly. And same on the other side. So once that's in place, this should. What is trying to fight me? Why is that? So once, are you rolling? Yeah. So once you kind of like match the tab here, there's like a teeth on the bottom. It's hard to see, but it's almost identical to this one. It's almost identical to this one. It's not almost, it's identical to this tab right here. Left and right have them, and this container has, or cover has a little kind of like hook that hooks in the middle of that tab. So once you line it up, it should sit flush like this. And then you can just put the tab back or lock. You're good to go. Now fire it up. I'm just gonna go for a drive and see if it will get check engine light. So far, no. Is it okay if I hop on? Yeah. So I'm with Justin right now. So far, we don't have any check engine light. Usually when you have check engine light, it will appear in about 1 to 2 kilometers. So we're just gonna go for a little rip. They add all this, eh? Cabin bo? Huh?
Yeah.
Cabin bo?
Should we go left?
If you want to go faster, left. If you want to go slower, right. Okay. This is my little Akina. You know, uphill and downhill.
Oh yeah.
When I get bored, I take the loop. How does it feel?
Good.
Feels different now.
A little bit.
Is it just me, or your car is just faster? Huh. I think his car is a little bit faster. There's a big hole down there on the left. See, there's a hole. So far, it doesn't have check engine light.
No.
No. So we're good. I don't think he will get any check engine light because one of our friend Ian, if you watch our previous video, he got the full intake, right? What do you call that thing? It's like the
Air
mushroom
intake.
type. Yeah, it's like the mushroom type air intake. He got the full one, so yeah, should be good.
Yeah.
Huh?
Exactly. Yeah.
You got the PS4S, I think, or PS4. Mine is slipping a bit.
When you go around the turn.
Yeah, because mine is primacy only.
Yeah.
Base. Tire difference. Right. Make a right. Oh. It's gonna be loud.
Yeah, yeah, get rid of that.
Like mine. So he got nothing on his dash. No check engine light. Thank you for visiting.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Wala sila.
Dire-diretso lang. Tumatawag sa'yo. Ayan o.
Kuya, dito na ako sa Hellinger. Hinihintay kita.
Sige. Pwede ka na rin dumiretso kung gusto mo. Nag-Google Map na rin ako eh.
Nag-Google Maps ka?
Oo.
Sige.
Di ko makakita. Ha?
Hintayin lang kita. Hintayin lang kita.
Saan mo banda yung Henninger? Lalagpasan ko pa yung 7-Eleven?
Yeah. Nagtanong ko pa yung 7-Eleven. Tapos magka-right turn ka.
Sige.
Nasa parking lang ako ng Hellinger.
Lagpas pa ng McDonald's yan, di ba?
Oo.
Sige. Nakita ko na. Parang nakikita ko na. Nakita ko na. Nakita ko na yung Toyota. Sige.
Chantel. Bakit naman? To the town. Ito yata Scotland Hill eh.
Kaya nga.
Lapit lang pala eh.
Kaya nga maganda sa Chinook. Malapit lang kasi.
Naka-on na ba yung ano mo?
Oo.
Camera mo?
Ewan ko lang. Kasi mo na nga. Nahihirapan ako.